So you want to learn how to make a paracord bracelet. Beautiful, elegant and thin paracord bracelet. So stay with us, and in the next few minutes you're gonna make this beautiful paracord project. Enjoy and have fun. Hello my dear friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. Today we're gonna use the gold paracord type 1, the navy blue paracord also type 1, the paracord 550, the jig and the small buckle. So before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today with the shackles, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So first we're gonna take our navy blue paracord 550 and we're gonna create the bracelet core. So take the ends, find the center. When you find the center, take the buckle and from the top side insert this bite through the top side of a buckle. And now from here simply create a loop and pull those two cords through the loop. This way we created the basic cow's hitch. And we're gonna lock this side. Now from here we're gonna measure our wrist. And as always we're gonna leave some slack. So here will be the attaching point where we're gonna attach our paracord 550 to our bracelets. So I'm gonna mark it and pinch it here, and then detach this end of a buckle, and we're gonna insert our cords from the top side. Now from here we're gonna simply take our strand, outer strand, and pass it through the middle, around and through the loop. Now tie it, secure it. And from here we're gonna take our left side, pass it again under, around and from the top through the loop, through the inner side, and we're gonna tie it. Now we're gonna cut off this end of the cords and melt it down, and we're gonna proceed. So as you can see here we have joined our strands, and now we're gonna take the feed and pull the paracord type 1 through the bracelet core. So now here we have the bracelet core and the working ends, and we can start with today's project. We're gonna start with the left side, so we're gonna take our navy blue and pass it under the core strands, and then from the back through the middle between these two core strands, and from the top through the loop. So now we're gonna twist a bit, and then we're gonna pass the gold cord from the top through this loop here and through the middle between the two core strands, as you can see here, like so, and through. Now, as we started with the left side, we're gonna continue with the right side. So we're gonna pass our gold cord through the back in the middle between the two cord strands, and we're gonna return it from the top through the loop on the right side. And as we did with the left side, we're gonna do with the right side, or with the gold cord we're gonna twist it toward us, and then with the navy blue from the top through the loop and then through the middle between the cord strands and to the side. As simple as that. Now again with the navy blue from the back through the middle between the cord strands and then to the loop on the left. Now with the gold, twist it towards you, and with the gold from the top through the loop and through the middle between the cord strands and to the side. Now with the gold strand from the back through the gap in the middle and from the top through the loop on the right. Take the navy blue from the top through the loop and through the middle and to the side. So one more tip before we finished: if you ever get lost in all these weaves or knots and you can remember which one will need to go downwards from the back through the middle, pay attention to the cords, and as you can see here, the navy blue heads to the back and this gold one heads to the top. So we're gonna start always with the one heading to the top. So in this case it's a gold one, and I'm gonna pass it from the back through the middle and then from the top through the loop like so, and I'm gonna twist it towards me like so. From here we're gonna take the navy blue and pass it from the top into the middle and then from the back through the loop, and we're gonna tie it. As simple as that. So once more, the strand that heads to the bottom is now the gold one, and the navy blue is the one heading to the top. So we're gonna pull it from the back, so from the bottom through the back in between the cord strands and then from the top through the loop. Now we're gonna twist it toward us, and we're gonna take the gold one, pass it from the top into the middle and from the back through the loop. Now tie it, and as you can see we have the perfect knots. So I hope this one was helpful, this tip was helpful, and we're gonna proceed. So here we are, we finished our today's project, our bracelet is done. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!